Today is a special occasion. I'm super excited because we have a classic in the house, a legend if you might, but with a twist. Now, Audio-Technica has just revamped their classic headphones, the ATH-M50X headphones, now with Bluetooth capabilities. I'm super juiced to give you guys this review. Now, this is what we've all been waiting for. So now that they are here, how did the new M50X Bluetooths turn out? Has Audio-Technica made history again with these headphones? Find out today. So let's start off with the comfort and design. They keep that same classic design of the black with the silver trimmings. It looks just as gorgeous as the day I first set my eyes on them about 5 years ago. The M50X Bluetooths keep that same amazing build quality as the originals. You can really beat these things up and not skip a beat. Get it? On the left ear cup, you have a volume rocker and play pause button where you can skip tracks as well. There's also a power button and a pairing slider near the front of the cup, and this presented a problem for me. It's very hard and confusing to navigate the control system on these headphones sometimes, especially since the buttons are on the flat side and not clearly marked, where you can feel them with your fingers and things like that. Also on the left ear cup, you have a 3.5mm jack. The 3.5mm cord has a controller and a mic, which is a nice touch. And there's also an included USB charger. The headband is comfortable and the leather cups still clamp to your head, giving you that true closed back experience. Some people might not like that added pressure, but this actually keeps you from needing noise cancellation because nothing gets past these ear cups. In conclusion, amazing build quality and comfort if you like closed back headphones. For the design of the new Bluetooth controls, I wish they were a little bit better, but they aren't bad. But I mean, let's be honest, they're not necessarily great. The M50Xs are known to be some of the most balanced headphones for audio engineers and music enthusiasts. They feature a 45mm aperture driver, which is incredibly detailed for the price of $200. Guys, I kid you not, these are the best sounding Bluetooth headphones that I've tried this year in my opinion, and they are only $200. That is just an incredible deal. These are closed back, so you won't get that open back spaciousness, but in turn you gain that closed back bass and power. All instruments and vocals sound that much stronger coming from a great set of closed back headphones. From Frank Ocean to Calvin Harris to Pink Floyd, these reproduce music so well. Acoustic songs also sound buttery smooth. I feel like I'm riding on a musical sheet of the musicians playing their instruments. Simply amazing. What's better is that you can actually plug these into a DAC amp as well and get like an audiophile type system going on at home if you want. Audio-Technica really nailed it with these headphones. I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed, and I think that you guys will be too once your ears get a hold of these bad boys. The battery life is rated at 40 hours. Holy crap. Not only that, but you get amazing sound on top of it. So you get to enjoy that amazing sound of the M50Xs for 40 freaking hours. I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking maybe like 15 to 20, kind of like V-Moda. You know, they kind of stress having really good sound quality and not much on the like Bluetooth and battery side. So it's really nice that they've coupled this with an amazing package. They're really trying to give you a legendary headphone with these set of cans. The call quality is good enough for most applications. I wouldn't say it's the best, but I would say it's definitely on par with something like Sony, but not as good as Bose. The connection is rock solid in crowded areas. These also feature aptX for you Android users out there and AAC for iPhone users, and it's rocking Bluetooth 5.0. I tell you guys, Audio-Technica packed these things full with the best technology. They really wanted to make history with these headphones, and quite frankly, they did. These make V-Moda sound like a children's toy in my opinion. The M50XBTs are a statement headphone and they've left a great impression on me, guys. So if you guys are thinking about picking these up, let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll have a link in the description so you can buy these because guys, these are amazing. For 200 bucks, you will be blown away, let me tell you. No matter what you listen to, no matter what you like, these will do a great job. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so that your friends won't make the mistake of buying Beats over these. It's been your boy BT saying peace.